Hi yogis. After our backbending workshop this weekend, I would like to share a little more stretches with you, the ones we just touched on but didn't really get much time to look into. In your backbending, the shoulders are vitally important to be open, and often people with locked shoulders try to do the back bend without opening the shoulders and without opening the upper chest, and that's going to create much more. So the first one, put our two blocks down in front. We're going to go onto the elbows. The length wants to happen from there so that we can work the shoulder open and not just push. Okay, because there you can see I'm not opening the shoulder, I'm opening the rib cage. So watch for that when you're stretching. Always engage the core. Put the two elbows down onto the brick with the outer rotation of the upper arm. Palms together, and to make your stretch happen, not in the rib cage but in the shoulders, push down into the elbows, lifting the armpits, lifting the serratus, and then lengthening out from there. So I'm going to lengthen out, getting my head through the upper arms, or just next to the upper arms. Keep lifting, keep lengthening, keep engaging in the tummy, relaxing. A nice place to hold, long deep breath, doing softly. Try and relax. And release. Stretch out the arms. And you can do this. So same as your cat stretch, same idea. Reach and lengthen. The next one is to open the upper chest. Keep two bricks handy, but you might only need one. You take the brick and place it starting on T12. So about this, the middle of my bra strap, and T12 about here. So that's where it's going to start. Don't just go down. Lift the tummy, open the heart, and try and come right over. Coccyx a little bit under, so it's relaxed and lengthened. And if the head can touch the floor. Of course, you've got the option of just going a little bit lower and having a gentler stretch. But if you want to go higher and the head does not comfortably, so you don't want to be shortening in the neck, you want to be lengthening in the neck as it comes down. So it's a constant curve in the back. Then if the head doesn't touch, just prop a brick underneath the head and you'll see that lovely length into the coccyx, from the coccyx into the occipitals. Okay. When you go without the brick, try and maintain that length, not just be crunched underneath. Okay. Then from here, it's actually quite nice with a brick underneath the head, because then I can work the arms in the right line next to the ears. You lengthen, you reach, open the upper chest, stretch the arms. In the beginning, the arms tighten, they don't want to go. You could do single arms, reach out, lengthen, lift, suck the tummy down, stretch your arms, lengthen. Okay, that's a lovely stretch there. You could also bind your elbows with a yoga strap. Then working towards Vipareeta Dandasana. It's quite nice to work with the back bend coming onto your head, not onto the hands. So do normal bridge with the hands next to the ears as usual. But this time, instead of straightening the arms completely, lift and just onto the top of your head. Open the chest and keep working the shoulders open. So this doesn't really give you much of a shoulder opening, but more a hip opening. So keep pressing and lifting the tummy and pressing the hips open. Okay. Another exercise, even deeper, this will be a shoulder stretch, deepening the shoulder stretch. You hold your elbows, stretch over, And we roll onto the elbows, onto the forearms, into the back bend. Lifting the hips high. And then relax the shoulders, lift the tummy, lift the space of your heart at the back, and work your shoulders more open. Okay. Another exercise for Vipareeta Dandasana to stabilize so that the transition going to the hands from a full back bend to the hands happens flawlessly is keep the hips high, keep the strength down through the feet. You've got 2 feet to push on and 1 arm to push on as you're transitioning, and then you can transition. You've always got 3 points that you're pushing on. Into the full back bend. Oh, another nice shoulder opening. A strap around the elbow is really nice to add. We open by lifting and opening the chest through and back. Sways. Open and back. Open. Okay. Now, I want you to stabilize through the legs and 1 arm. Lift 1. Push down. Lift the other one. Keep pulling. Help the body to stay. Good. Then the transition down. Your hips remain high. And then your shoulders nice and open. Okay, some of you also do Vipareeta Dandasana with the head raised off the floor. Your choice. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoy your back bends. Much love. Namaste.